Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two prerequisites: a compatible Mac and your active WhatsApp phone. Open Safari or Chrome and navigate to Web. WhatsApp. COM or download WhatsApp Desktop from the App Store. This gives you a native app experience. Once done, keep your phone nearby because you'll use it to link. Make sure both devices are on the same network if possible, which speeds the QR pairing. This initial setup prevents common pairing errors and saves time as you move to scanning. Next, on your phone, tap Settings, then Link Devices, and choose Link a Device. This activates the camera scanner. On the Mac, display the QR code in the browser or the desktop app. Once visible, hold your phone steady and align the code until it scans automatically. This is how WhatsApp securely ties sessions to your account. If prompted, confirm any device authorization notices on your phone. After pairing, WhatsApp syncs recent messages so you can continue conversations on your laptop. To finish, verify that messages appear on the Mac and enable desktop notifications if you want alerts. You can manage linked devices from your phone anytime to sign out or revoke access for security. If the QR scan fails, first restart the desktop app or browser and refresh the QR page, then toggle your phone's internet or camera permissions and try again. If syncing stalls, reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi. These steps resolve most issues and keep your session secure and functional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.